Hi everyone, welcome to the book Gimp tutorial part 2. In this part of the tutorial we're going to make some or put some effects onto the pages of our book. Let's start off by deselecting our currently selected regions. We're going to add another layer. We're going to call this layer Pages. Say OK. Now we have a Pages layer. And we are first going to add some crinkled paper to those pages, to that Pages layer. To do that, we're going to select our original book layer, choose our fuzzy select. This should get very comfortable for you using this fuzzy select tool. I'm going to select the first region and then the second region. Now I want to make sure that I am working on my pages layer. Notice I'm going to turn that back on. I still have an active selection, and I want to choose the blend tool. Excuse me, not the blend tool, the bucket fill tool. And I want a pattern. I have some options here, some standard pattern options. I'm going to choose the crinkled paper option and simply come in to my active selection, make sure I'm on the pages layer, and there's a selection on the pages layer with crinkled paper. We're going to turn our sections back on. It looks a little ugly right now, but we're going to fix that. Let's turn our active selection off. Then on this pages layer, we're going to choose our fuzzy select tool, and we're going to pick, we have multiple colors on this pages layer of different colors of brown. We're just going to go in and select some different regions, especially where we have dark browns. There we go. So we have some dark browns in this region selected. We're going to get all the dark browns. There we go. Now we're going to add in these dark brown regions, we're going to add some lines. But first we're going to add another layer. We're going to call this layer Lines. Say OK. And go back to our bucket fill tool. And this time choose a line pattern. You can't see it, but I've got some stripes in here. And on the lines layer, we're going to add some stripes. Turn our eyes off, and we just want to see those lines. Turn our selection off. We're going to zoom in. So you can see I have some dark black lines. I'm going to choose my select by color tool and choose those dark black lines. And I don't want them to be dark black anymore. I want them to be a light, medium yellow color. I'm going to say OK. Choose our bucket fill tool and foreground color, and then come in and choose our selection. Say select none, and we have some light brown lines. Turn our pages back on, turn our book back on, and we're going to fade out. This is the first time we've done this. We're going to use our opacity slider, and we're going to fade out the crinkled paper effect. Last but not least, we're going to zoom in just a little bit more. Choose this black section here with our select by color tool. We need to be on the original book layer to do that. And pull in our dark brown. Say OK. Bucket fill tool. And there we have a dark brown. Go back out to 100%. Say select none. And there is our book, our aged manuscript effect book. That's all, folks. Till next time.